Hey guys, it's Bethany from Be Sassy Stickers coming at you today again with another haul. Please excuse my janky nails. I just got this Simply Gilded in the mail today, and I like to put them up as soon as I get them because I usually get them pretty late. I love them. Don't get me wrong. I've been doing it for about a year now. I love getting these happy mail. Anyway, so let's get started. This is Simply Gilded. Today is January 4th is the day I received it. I have not peeked. I have not looked at any of the other videos. So I hope that it's good. So this is a pure unboxing. Okay. We'll put that aside. There's nothing in there. This is the box. It says Simply Gilded Growth with the plant theme. Oh, that's cute. I love the black and white. I love to keep these boxes too. I wish I had kept all of them, but I haven't. Okay, c'est la vie. Let's see what's in here. If there's a mystery item, I don't know what it is, so I'll probably show it. So please. Click out now if you don't want to see that. Let's see. This is okay. So this is the December 2020 box. This is what it comes with. Let's see. I don't even know what the mystery item is. Okay, so there's a mini vegan leather pouch. Oh, cute. I love these. I use all of mine. I can never have enough of these. I love the pink with the rose gold. Pink and rose gold are so cute together. Oh, and the green inside. Okay, I guess I like that. But yes, I have several of these. I have, what, 3 of them from previous kits, and I love them. I have this light pink one in gold. It's messy because I use it. This floral one in gold. And this sort of plaid one with rose gold. And they all have stuff in them, so I do use them. So yes, that will get lots of use. Super stoked about that. Like the hot pink color. Cute. It's almost good for like summer. We have a charm key fob. Which I don't really use these. In fact, if anyone would like to win this, I will give this away. Just make a comment down below. That's all you have to do. And I'll pick a winner and give this away if you want it. It's a Simply Gilded key fob for December charm key fob. Really cute. Comment down below and you could be the winner of that. Okay, then we have some sort of vellum leaf sticky note. Okay. Another thing, you know what, I'm not going to open it. I'm not going to use that. That's a vellum sticky note. Also very cute. If you'd like to win these together so far, comment below and I will pick someone to win this. These are the acetate sheets and vellum. These are for B6, which I never use my B6, but sometimes I kind of make them work in an A5 or my personal size. I really love these types of vellums. Oh yes, I love this black and white. I will definitely use that. Okay, so those are the 3. This one, 2 vellums and 1 acetate. I'm going to put this one in the center because I'm going to use that in a setup. Okay, what else do we have? We have the sticker kit, of course. And is that oh, here's the notebook. B6 stitch notebook, which I have so many of these. I will also not open. I'm probably not going to use my B6. So this, if you'd like to win all 3 of these items, please leave a comment below and I will pick a winner for those 3 items. That must be the Okay, here are the sticker sheets. My favorite part of the entire thing. So we have, what is that? It's like a greenish, but with like hollow stars for your icons. I love that. That's so pretty. Let's move those out of the way. Like I said, if you'd like to win them, please comment below. More icons with that same color scheme. Very pretty. These are the half and full boxes. The bows. Pretty. And here are your date covers. Your little bows, your full boxes, little icons, headers. Today to do more boxes. Bow headers, flags. Okay, I wouldn't say this is my favorite kit. I don't know about these colors. I love these colors. The purple and the pink and the black. Love. I don't know about this. Maybe I need to get out of my comfort zone and use it. It's very pretty. Okay, so those are the stickers. It's very, very pretty. I think I need to open my horizons a tad. Here is the washi. So we have the foiled journaling card. Oh, so cute. I'm sorry, where were we? I was showing you the journaling card that's foiled. Very pretty. Sorry, but the phone rings, the dogs bark, and none of this happens, or maybe I just don't notice it when I'm not filming. But this is a super cute journaling card. I love that. Okay. So here's the pen. My other favorite thing about these boxes is I love the pen. This is a rose gold. Now we have something very similar to this we've gotten before. But I do like the way those pens write. Okay. What do we have? We have, ooh. Ooh. In fact, I won't, I'll just unroll it all and I'll show you at the end. Okay, plants. Oh, cute. Okay, here's all the washi. I don't get the add-on, so I just get the basics, which you get with the kit, basically, if you don't get any add-ons. So these are your bows. I will go ahead and roll them out. Is that? That's silver. I'm pretty sure this is a rose gold box. Okay. That's rose gold. That's rose gold. That is like holographic. See? And that's rose gold. Yeah, also not my favorite. We're going to add the washi tape because I don't want to hoard all this stuff. It's really beautiful. Don't get me wrong. I love all of this stuff, but I want everyone else to kind of enjoy it too. So we're going to add the washi tape to the giveaway. And that's it. Okay, so if you don't want to see what the mystery item is, click out now. Okay, so here's what you can win. Comment below. There you go. Put that aside. This is the kit. This is what came in the kit. I will roll out the washi at the end if you'd like. And here's the mystery item. So click out if you don't want to see it. Click out. I told you. Now click out. Click, click, click. Okay, here it comes. It's coming. It's coming. Okay. Ooh. The rose gold overlay boxes. Oh man, I can never get enough overlay boxes. And pink, what is this? I'm assuming this is the mystery item. I don't see it on there. So these are rose gold overlay boxes for full boxes. Cute. And these are also Oh my gosh, look how pretty. Oh, so 3 pink with the, oh mama like. Those are real cute. And then we have these, transparent ones. These remind me of Animal Crossing. You could use all of these for Animal Crossing, actually. Oh, cute. Maybe I'll mark this on my calendar for every day that I played Animal Crossing for my monthly calendar. Just an idea. Okay, so I'm going to roll out the washi tape for you. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Hold on one second. I'm going to roll out that washi tape. Hold, please. Okay, so here's the thicker washi laid out. Now, this is silver. I don't know. It's an interesting choice for Christmas. I know it's a December box and you aren't going to really get it until obviously, what did I get it in January, but it's not Christmassy or wintry at all. It has plants on it. I feel like I can't use any of this till spring. I have some plant whatchamacallits, spreads, sticker kits, I guess. And I think this one is my favorite so far. I'm not big on Art Deco, but I love this. I'm not sure how this goes with the kit. But okay. Like I said, I need to broaden my horizons. This is hollow. This is perforated. And these are just those little headers. Since I can't use that one anyway, we'll stick that one on there. Okay, so there's the washi for the kit. And there's one more piece of washi, but I don't want to unravel it because we're going to be giving it away. So there we go. This is my favorite. Love, love, love. Second favorite. I like those two. Okay, thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a happy new year, and we'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.